Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video call edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video of a person like talking to the camera, and I'm also going to add this on top, and I'm going to mirror that. Let's go to blend mode and select screen, and then just leave it like that, and then go to mask, select circle and reverse that, and I'm just going to place it on her face, and I'm just going to feather it out a little bit like so. And you can even adjust the opacity a little bit of the screen if you'd like to, but I honestly don't mind it. Then you're going to go to filters, and you're going to select style, and you're going to add in the Lost Forest one on top, and you can adjust the strength here of the filter. Let me see if it's better if we just add it on this one. Just pretty much the same, so we're just going to stick with that like so. Alright, once you've adjusted the strength, you can basically go to effect and you can add in blur, but just to the screen one, and you can adjust it so it's not super blurry, but it's not super HD as well. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!